2009, Philips introduced the Cinema 21:9, the first TV with true cinematic proportions, perfect picture quality, and the revolutionary Ambilight. Now, in 2010, another leap forward has been made. Philips introduces the ultimate and unprecedented home cinema experience. Available on the 2010 Cinema 21:9, the 9000 LED series, and the 8000 LED series. Philips presents Full HD 3D. With the ultimate picture quality, powered with Ambilight, you will enter a new dimension in home cinema.
You used to have Ambilight, you used to need a white wall. If you did it on a different wall, you had a situation where, for example, you have a yellow and the blue wall. Once they mix together and you see the reflection, what the reflection was actually green, where it should be yellow. Yeah? Wall mounted. Just by unscrewing and clicking this over, it then changes into the wall mount. And not only a normal wall mount, you actually even have a swivel.
Benvenuti a questo nuovo appuntamento mite, una perturbazione atlantica si sta...
You'll notice one thing is that we have been pursuing quite a lot in terms of the bezel size. We really want to minimize the framing of the picture, and you see it coming through when you hit the 8 and the 9000. Here, real aluminum brush metal already coming in as the bezel. We talk about the silhouette, and with Ambilight, this really comes alive.
And you can upgrade them with the wireless dongle that basically is available. Together with the dongle also comes that software I was talking about before, which is the WiFi Media Connect. And actually, yeah, how many people at home have the TV on while they're sitting and doing their emails on the couch? I press the button and basically now I send my screen of the PC over the wireless network to the television. The cool thing is then, of course, I can then start a slideshow, or I can start a movie and I can start watching. The main thing you'll notice, there's about a 2-second delay, and that is basically to ensure that we properly encode both the video and the audio together and then bring it as good quality to the television.
The whole silhouette, and right now if you look in its full glory, as you always call it within the design team, when you see the three-sided Ambilight really shaping and forming the impression of the silhouette. So the use of metal, not only for the bezel, but also for the body as well, to achieve the kind of dimension superiority needed for this part of the range. You'll notice that there's a soundbar at the bottom. We want to make it explicit because this is the best picture quality that Philips can offer, and to accompany it also we want to make the sound more explicit in terms of good delivery.
So the 7000 series and the 8000 series then using edge lit. Again here then in the top of the performance with the LED Pro, we have in Bright Pro the backlit with 2D dimming. The menu also that you see here is then what the menu will look like in 2010, and here specifically then the way to set up your color of the back wall for the wall adaptive Ambilight. And again, the ability to then change color depending on what your wall is. I want to add an additional device. Philips devices are automatically recognized and automatically installed. If I have another device that I, for example, want to add, I go, so HDMI 3 is not yet taken, I press close and now I have my computer. So I automatically then, it changes to the computer input when I select. If I go back to my home screen, I select back to my Blu-ray player, actually it brings us back to the, so very simple, very easy for the user to just now with 2 button presses control the entire interaction of all the sources. Yeah?
Excuse me, do not cross that line! We agreed this was my zone, right? Right?
Bucky, the mice will agree to anything. You guys are all idiots, right?
Right!
When the threat is real.
It's not easy to take over the world. We need to find a way out of here.
A new breed of hero will rise in Disney Digital 3D. Darwin.
It's not working.
James Bond never had these problems.
Blaster.
It's gonna be awesome.
I'm pretty sure this is animal cruelty.